the solution for this example, first thing we need to do is the mix. Notice we highlight up to there. We don't include the 100%. Otherwise, this is taken into account in the conditional formatting. So we've highlighted that. We want to use color scale. So we go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Color Scales. And we'll choose that. When we click, it adds it on. The next thing is we want to see above and below average for the GP percentage. So we highlight the GP percentage, conditional formatting. Under top and bottom rules, you'll see we've got something called above average. All it needs to know what the color is. So we're going to say we want it to be green. So I'm going to use the suggested green fill with dark green text. I'm going to say OK. So the above average is colored, but the others aren't. So we need to go to top and bottom rules again, and now go below average, and that one can be red. I'm going to say OK. And now we can see clearly what's above average GP percentage and what's below average. And the last one is we want data bars, so we can easily see what has the biggest impact and the smallest impact. So I'm going to go, and if I go to data bars, we can choose one of these. I'm going to choose that one. When I switch it on, you see it's immediately obvious where the big impact is and where some of the small impacts are.